Hello, and welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we dissect the latest and greatest products on the market to help you make informed decisions.
Today, we're diving into the Proactiv 3-Step Acne Treatment Kit,
a skincare system that's garnered quite the reputation in the beauty industry.
Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about what's included in this kit. You get the renewing cleanser, the revitalizing toner, and the repairing treatment. These three products work together to combat acne and promote clearer, healthier-looking skin. Now, what sets Proactiv apart from other acne treatments? Well, it all comes down to their secret ingredient, benzoyl peroxide.
This powerful compound penetrates deep into the pores to tackle acne-causing bacteria at its source.
Plus, with the addition of glycolic acid, it helps to exfoliate the skin, leaving it smoother and more radiant.
Using the Proactiv system is as easy as 1, 2, 3.
Step 1. Cleanse with the renewing cleanser to remove dirt, oil, and impurities. Step 2. Tone with the revitalizing toner to balance the skin's pH and refine pores. And finally, Step 3. Treat with a repairing treatment to target existing blemishes and prevent new ones from forming.
But does it really work? Well, judging by the countless success stories and testimonials, it seems that Proactiv is delivering results for many users. From teenagers battling stubborn breakouts to adults dealing with occasional flare-ups, this system seems to have something for everyone. One of the things I appreciate most about Proactiv is its versatility. Whether you have oily skin, combination skin, or sensitive skin, this kit is formulated to meet your needs.
Plus, it's suitable for both teens and adults, making it a great option for the whole family.
In conclusion, if you're struggling with acne and looking for a solution that's effective yet gentle on the skin, the Proactiv 3-Step Acne Treatment Kit might just be worth a try.
With its clinically proven ingredients and easy-to-follow regimen,
it could be the key to achieving the clear, radiant complexion you've always wanted.
And that's a wrap for today's review.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest product critiques. Until next time, stay beautiful.